Hello everybody, David here with St. Croix Power Sports. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to set the clock on your Yamaha R7. This bike is going home today, new owner, so I definitely want to have the clock set for them. So first thing I'm going to do is hold down this button here, and then you'll just go ahead and turn the key to the on position. And that clock in just a couple of seconds is going to start blinking. Then you're going to be able to go back and hit the select and just push it down until you get the right hour. I'm just going to verify what time it is on my watch. Looks like it's going to be about 4:35. And then to get it over to the minutes, you'll just go ahead and hit this top button again. And then just keep clicking until you get 4:35. And that's it. So once you have the clock set, go ahead and turn the bike off. To confirm, we'll just turn it back on, see if that time held, which it did. So if you guys have any questions or any other tricks on these beautiful bikes, definitely let me know. I'll keep the videos coming as needed.